Blessed love and good morning. We have come here this morning. What a privilege it is to be here this morning to worship God. This early morning prayer meeting service geared toward fasting and praying for the healing of our brother and sister Andrew and Charity, who has fallen ill. And we have come here to petition that God would hear and answer our prayer to bring healing. And many names were submitted on paper prayer requests for healing. And we have come here this morning and we are now taking a little tour of the boardwalk. And oh, how beautiful it is to see God's creations, to see everything that He has done to keep us in connection with Him and revealed His will and His majesty, His power. When you look around, it makes you wonder how great is our God. Oh, how wonderful is our God. So you all do be blessed. And you all have a wonderful day. How beautiful it is to be here this morning. Look at this. This is just amazing. God's creation is just mind-blowing. As we look at nature, we see how creative, how marvelous, and how mysterious our God is. Just to see everything He's created, even though this here was put together by man, it's man-made, but if you look at it, the trees, God has created the trees. Water is something that God has created. The element, everything that is around us is our Master's creation, and oh, how beautiful it is. We have come here this morning to petition and to ask of our God that which we cannot do with ourselves. Within ourselves, we are weak and feeble creatures, but with God, we are strong. Once He abides in us, and as we look, we can see the one that created us all. He is the one that we serve. To God be the glory, great things He has done. And we are looking for a marvelous miracle from our God in the healing of our brethren and the provision that He has made and will make for those who are faithful to His name. To God be the glory.
Jordan.
Delhi. I said Delhi. Yeah, Delhi.
Y'all come. Y'all can walk now. Yes, something else. What are you doing? Oh. John, don't take this one away from him, John. Trotman, give it back them. Give it back them, Trotman. I know that's what he can do with that. Oh, wait, this is some kind of what is this?
Come.
No.